My name is not Boopsie, it's Mommy. Say hey, hun bun. Where's Daddy? You gotta go vacuum with Daddy. Probably a dog walking by. All done.
Now we gotta vacuum Chase's room.
Go to Chase's room. Off we go. There's what?
So it smells like poop in here.
I wonder why. Somebody just had a gigantic poopy.
Somebody needs to start using the potting.
I agree. Chase, you're supposed to be helping Daddy. There you go. You're silly. Good job, Chase.
All done.
Where'd Papu go?
All down.
All done. All right, let's go put up vacuum. Go put vacuum up. They all done. All done. Put vacuum up. Put it in the closet. Good job! You're done with the vacuum. All done.